Hi everyone, my name is Mannat and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this time I thought of reusing denim jeans. Like I was having 2-3 denim jeans and I wanted to make something out of it. So yeah, I finally made it and I ended up making 4 DIYs out of one jean. So our very first DIY is a notebook decoration. When it comes to back to school DIY school supplies, I think my favorite thing is to do a notebook decoration right now, but let the schools open and then you're gonna find this helpful for sure. You can just keep all your stuffs in it directly, all your stationery items directly into the pocket. As you can see in the picture, and you can understand by seeing it in the picture. So next craft I made is a pen stand or a pen holder or a desk organizer. I made it a striped pen stand. I gave it a zebra stripe look, I should say. Whatever is it, it looks so beautiful. So when I was like writing on my planner for this video, I thought that I would just cover it with a denim jean and I'll do some decoration like for making it look aesthetic. Then suddenly an idea popped on my mind. I gave it a stripe sort of look. So yeah, this is also a very helpful thing. I think I made a denim jean version of DIY school supplies. Anyways, so the third thing which I made is a purse. Like I keep all my hair accessories in it, and yeah, it is also very helpful and very easy to make. So the fourth thing which I made is a pouch. Making a pencil case is my favorite thing. So I made a pouch with denim jean only, and yeah, it also turned out really well. I used hot glue gun for this. So if you don't have hot glue gun, you can use fabric glue for sure. You can even sew the purse and the pouch. I think sewing is the best thing you can do. I can say that it's a denim jean version of DIY school supplies. I think on my channel, DIY school supplies is a thing which you can find the most. I would link few of them in the description. Like if you love making DIY school supplies, then you can check the links which are given in the description. If you guys are new on my channel, then please consider subscribing to my channel and also turn the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the 4 DIYs. As I said earlier, that this was a denim jean version of DIY school supplies. So please give this video a big thumbs up. Also visit my website. The link is in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching.